I am here to help you searching information on internet. Today's topic is all free top open source code editor. Let's go to website. In this post you get all the knowledge related to top open source free code editor. Index of this post: free top open source code editor, how to use this open source free code editor, how to improve your coding skill, and lots more. In this post you get all the code editors and how to download and how to use with videos like this Atom, a code editor, how to use this open source code editor with video. This post is very useful for you related to any type of code editor like VS Code or how to use VS Code and lots more. All the code editors are free to use, and how to download this type of code editor, we also provide you the exact official website or an official link like this video. You get knowledge in just one post. Link in the description if you get knowledge related to any code editor. Link in the description. Read this post and get all the knowledge related to open source code editor or code editor or free code editor. Link in the description. Please subscribe this channel, support us, and please subscribe this channel and like this video and comment what you want in this post. Please comment. Thank you. Bye bye.